Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I know it has been quite a minute, but anyway, today I'm coming to y'all with a Target haul, and also I'm gonna show y'all what I got from Victoria's Secret as well. But anyway, starting from left to right, and excuse my nails because I know they look a mess. But anyway, I got some glass fillers, these two. Oh, yeah, those two. And this right here is a glass filler as well. And yeah, I have these really big vases that I got from Kirkland's. So every now and then I like to refill them with something. And right now they are empty. Anyway, I got a white bed skirt. I ordered a bed skirt from online and I thought I ordered two, but only one came. So I'm tired of waiting and we really want to change the bedding. So we just went ahead and picked that up so we wouldn't have to order another one and wait on it. And what else did we get? Oh yeah, my wife really likes this Shea Moisture line. They sent me some one time and she's been using it ever since, the Power Greens. So yeah, went ahead and got some of that. They didn't have the oil, so she just got the conditioner and the shampoo. Then we also got her a new toothbrush. And I got me a water flosser. Yeah, I've been really wanting one of these. And I was going to order it online, but I saw it at Target, so why not? Same price as online. And just some jumbo cotton, um, a big pack of those. And she wants to do something with the entertainment center. So I don't know what she's going to do with these. So she got 2 packs of the lights. Yeah. And what else was it? Oh, it seemed like so much, y'all, but it's not. Oh, I want to show y'all this. This is not from Target. This is actually from Home Depot, but I thought it was pretty cool. So, I just had to pick it up. It's a soap dispenser, or you can use it as a hand sanitizer dispenser as well. It's like I said, the sensor, so you just stick your hand under it and it dispenses soap or sanitizer. Thought that was pretty cool. And if you are in the Texarkana area, I picked up the last one. They may have some in stock, but I don't know. So that means I guess people are really liking the soap dispensers and things like that, because they had another one which was really cool. It was like glass, but honey, I wasn't paying $60 for it. Nah. Oh no. Anyway, let's see what we got from y'all. Lately I'm just gonna show you this particular purchase. I don't know what it is with me and Victoria's Secret lately, but well, I'm not gonna even say me, because my wife bought me this. Love it. This is the lotion, and she bought me the mist as well. Smells really good. And this is so ghetto, but I wanted to show y'all. It does not have the box anymore because she took it out and she put it in her little deal with all the rest of the stuff. But okay, I bought her a cologne, and I forgot the name of it. Like I said, so ghetto because she took the oh, there it goes. Victoria's Secret Him Platinum, I guess. And it comes with a free lotion of your choice, and that's the lotion that she chose as well. And I am obsessed. When I tell you obsessed with this, this is actually my most complimented perfume. Anytime that I have this on, I'm always asking. Even people in the store, they stop me and ask me what I have on. And it's this. Bombshell. Love it. And I have quite a collection of perfumes, but this perfume, like I said, is my most complimented one. And I have it, y'all know, in a bigger bag. In the big one, I don't know what I did with it. I guess I'm assuming I put it somewhere, but I have the lotion as well. The big lotion, and then I have the big perfume. But this right now is on sale at Victoria's Secret for $12, and I couldn't like pass it up. It's the purse size set. Y'all, and I had I don't know what I did with it. I left it in here. That's what I did with it. Yeah. So yeah, I got the big one, and then this, like I said, is $12 right now at Victoria's Secret. Yes. So if you have not tried it, I really highly suggest that you do. And y'all, I think that's all that I had. It is for this haul. So yeah. And I really miss you guys. So hopefully I'll be able to record something soon. But anyway, if you like videos like this, please do not forget to like, comment, and hit that red button. Until next time, bye.